Well, hello friends, and thank you so much for tuning in with me, Latisha McKinney, and welcome to Designing with Latisha McKinney. So we did a tutorial about 2 weeks ago, and it was for a very simplistic event. However, I forgot to show you all how you can convert your cake. So let's start doing that in today's tutorial. Okay, so now it's time for us to convert this into home decor. This is just a clip from the video that we did. You can check it out right there in that iCard. If you have any ideas, place them down below. Now you can place this on an island, that would be very beautiful, or also on your table and sprinkle some little cherries on top. That would be beautiful just to give it that pop of color. So if you are new, we're so absolutely excited to have you. However, on Wednesdays, that's when we convert like our designs and things like that. So if you are an event stylist, or you just want to decorate your home, or if you are a director of event planning, we do it all over here. Thank you so much for tuning with me, Latisha McKinney, and God willing, I will see you all on Friday. Blessings, my friend.